of 12th Art 2, which she has pointed out. The line is from Keeping Quiet, a poem, you can say. And the line is, my dear, that is, life is what it is about. Okay, so this is the line, and the second line is, I want no truck with death. First of all, no truck with, my dear, that means you can say no truck with, which means no, no dealing. Got it? No dealing. In another word, you can say no handling. So now understand the point in this way, that I want life is what it is about. Life is what it is about. What does this expression mean? It means, beta, that keeping quiet, keeping quiet, it does not refer to, you can say, it does not refer to stop all activities. Got it? So life is not to stop all activities for what time? For, you can say, that is forever. That is forever. Mind the spelling as well. Most of the students do, they keep on writing here double E. No, there will be single E. So life is not to stop all activities for forever. It is just, you can say, life is just to postpone. Here the point mean to postpone the activities. For what purpose? To think, to introspection. I'm explaining the first line, my dear. Life is what it is all about. And what I said, that keeping quiet. The poet wants us that keeping quiet does not mean to stop all activities forever, but to postpone. For what? Postpone to think. And what to think? What to think means, what do we need? What do we need? You can say from life. Got it, beta? So the two lines, sum up of this line is, poet wants us not to stop all activities forever, but to postpone. क्या मतलब? कि जीवन की सारी चीजों को हमेशा के लिए स्टॉप नहीं करना है, हमें बस क्या करना है, सारी एक्टिविटीज को पोस्टपोन करना है, स्थगित करना है, फॉर अ शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. क्यों करना है? टू थिंक, ये सोचने के लिए, व्हाट डू वी वांट फ्रॉम लाइफ, कि हमें अपने जीवन से आखिर चाहिए क्या. सेकंड थिंग इज, व्हाई आर वी लिविंग लाइफ, हम आखिर जो जीवन है वो क्यों जी रहे हैं, व्हाट इज द मोटिव ऑफ आवर लाइफ. ओके, एंड after thinking that, what do we need from life, what we people will do, we would be able to start, you can say, we would be able to start our life in a, you can say, in a better manner. Got it, dear? जब हम सोच समझ के कदम आगे बढ़ाएंगे, पोस्टपोन करके विचार करेंगे, तो हम क्या करेंगे, एक बेटर मैनर में, एक अच्छे तरीके से हम अपने जीवन को स्टार्ट कर पाएंगे. श्रुति, पहली लाइन आपको क्लियर हुई बेटे? से यस और नो? ओके, now let's go for the second line. Other students are supposed to mute themselves. You are being notified to me, my dear. And the second line is, beta, what did you say? I want no truck with death. As I told you, no truck. No truck means no dealing, no handling. In another word, you can say no dealing. So what does the poet want? The poet says that He is. The meaning of this line is the poet says that he is concerned. Concerned means related. He is concerned with life only. He is not concerned with death. उसका मृत्यु से कोई संबंध नहीं है. वो जब हमें कह रहा है, so all physical activities sit quietly to introspect, to think. तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि हमें फिजिकली इनएक्टिव रहना है, मेंटली एक्टिव रहना है, टू थिंक व्हाट डू वी वांट फ्रॉम लाइफ, बिकॉज he wants us to be physically alive, inactive but mentally active, and that is why he said that he is concerned with that. He has nothing to do with death. Okay, and the next you can say in another word, what does he want? He says that we should keep we should keep our, in another word you can say, lives moving. गॉट इट बेटा? हमें अपने जीवन को चलाते रहना है. इन लाइंस का मतलब है ये. आई थिंक नाउ द डाउट इज क्लियर. श्रुति, श्रुति, आई आई होप द डाउट इज क्लियर माय डियर. Okay, okay. Now let me talk with the yesterday's the same you can say the, see this. Okay, beta. This one is you can say the yes, beta. Speak up. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Which line, my dear? Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, okay. The first thing is better resort to. As I told you, resort to meaning is, in another word, you can say that is to liable to, या उसे उस चीज के लिए क्या करना पड़ा, उसे उस चीज के लिए मुड़ना पड़ा. He had to be dependent. Okay, and in literal word, resort to means beta, you can say to turn for help. Resort to, what does it mean? Turn to help. Isha, I think now clear, my dear. Okay, and now the thing is that, listen it carefully. So he had to resort to both begging. Whosoever is annotating on the screen, my dear, be careful. Your name is being shown. I have changed the setting. Now, he had to. Who is the rat trap peddler? He had to resort to. So he had to turn for help. उसे मुड़ना पड़ा. किस चीज के लिए? टू अर्न हिज लाइवलीहुड. वो दो समय का अपना जो खाना है वो कमा सके, वो कर सके. किस चीज पे? बैगिंग. उसे भीख भी मांगना पड़ा. इन पिटी. पिटी मीन्स बेटा छोटी मोटी, तुच्छ जिसे हम बोलते हैं. एंड थीवरी, इट मीन्स चोरियां करना. ठीक है, थीव से बना है ये, थीवरी चोरी करना. एंड टू कीप बॉडी, किस लिए? उसे अपने आप को जिंदा रखने के लिए. टू मेक हिमसेल्फ सर्वाइव, टू मेक हिम अलाइव, he had to be dependent, he had to look out for begging, and he had to become a thief to keep body and soul together, as I told you, to survive especially in difficult circumstances. This one reference, my dear, to keep soul and body together, it means to survive in difficult circumstances. Got it? So he had to move, he had to become a beggar, he had to become a thief to survive himself in the opposite or the contrasting circumstances of life. And even so, means even after that, चोरी भी कर ली, भीख भी मांग ली, but what happened to him? That clothes were in rags. Rags, as I yesterday also I told you, old and tattered. Old means purane, tattered means fate hue. So he had not even the good clothes to put on. He was in rags. He had to put on the rags. So begging and thievery was not even sufficient to make him survive in a better manner. Now the doubt clear, Isha? Okay. I think I should start up from the next paragraph. Okay, so now let us talk about the vocabulary portion first of all. Monotonous. Okay, monotonous. This word monotonous means, my dear, you can write all of you. Otherwise, you can have a recording of that. Dull. Okay. In another word, you can say tedious. That is also dull. Lack of energy. Even another word you can say. The next word is, yes, yes, yes. Which Ankit beta? Can you send the same message to me? Ankit Malik. Beta, yes, yes, yes. Send that message to me with the screenshot. Take a screenshot of that beta. Personally, I am going to talk. Okay? Yes, yes. Yes, have a screenshot of that. So the next one is beta. See this line. No one can imagine how sad and monotonous life, you can say, uh, can appear to such a vagabond. Okay, vagabond. Vagabond means, my dear, a person who wanders from one place to another without a home or job. The word is this one, vagabond. Okay, it means a person who wanders. Wanders means to move here and there. Who wanders from one place to another without home or job. Got it. And in between, Ankit, I do a request to you to be disciplined. Otherwise, strict disciplinary action will be taken against you. Okay. The next one is, my dear. The word is that no one can imagine how sad and monotonous life can appear to such a vagabond. So now let me explain this, that no one can imagine, no one can even think that the life of such a vagabond, the life of such a person who moves from here to there without any home and job, his life is full of sadness. He is in such a painful condition, and he is living such a dull life, he is living such a tedious life, that it does not appear that life is interesting for him. Let me translate in Hindi. कोई भी ये, नो वन कैन इमेजिन, कोई भी ये कल्पना नहीं कर सकता था। ओके, मोनोटनस का मीनिंग दोबारा से आई गॉट। मोनोटनस बेटा डल, डल जिसमें कोई जान ना हो, बेजान हो जो चीज। सो नो वन कैन इमेजिन, कोई भी ये कल्पना नहीं कर सकता कि, अब इसको लास्ट से अटैच करना है, टू सच अ वैगबॉन्ड, एक ऐसे घुमक्कड़ आदमी के लिए जो बिना किसी घर और जॉब के इधर उधर घूमता रहता था, उसके लिए हाउ सैड एंड मोनोटनस, कितना दुखदाई, एंड मोनोटनस, कितना डल और थका देने वाला जीवन उसे मजबूर होता था। इन अनदर वर्ड यू कैन से, उसे he it doesn't appear to him that life is interesting enough to live in an interesting manner. Okay beta. So Kushal, will you speak less, my dear? Don't speak, you are disturbing my class. So the thing is that, see beta, so उसका जीवन कितना डल था, कितना उबाऊ था, कि उसे मजा नहीं आ रहा था, दुख से भरा हुआ था, ये कोई भी इमेजिन नहीं कर सकता था। यस बेटा, यस। Okay, vagabond means beta, a person, it is written on your screen, a person who wanders, wanders. Wanders means move from one place to another, who wanders from place to place who wanders from place to place without home, or you can say job. Got it, dear? Okay. So the next line is who plods along the road. Plods. You can write down the meaning of plods. Plods means the word is this one, my dear. This one. Walk slowly. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, beta, I will repeat it. Let me explain this expression first. Who plods along the road? Who plods along the road? Plods meaning I am telling you, walk slowly with, okay, heavy steps. पैर को घिसड़ाते हुए बिना किसी इंटरेस्ट के चलना. In another word you can say walk slowly with heavy steps. So who plods along the road? जो बिना किसी एनर्जी के भारी भरकम कदमों से रोड पर चलता जाता था. लेफ्ट of his own, left to his own meditations. Meditations means beta act of thinking, act of thinking deeply, act of thinking deeply. So जो रोड पर पैरों को घिसराते हुए गहरे विचारों में, मेडिटेशन, गहरे विचारों में खोया हुआ आगे बढ़ता जाता था. अब सुनिए दोबारा से पूरी लाइन को. आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट इट माय डियर. नो वन कैन इमेजिन. कोई भी इंसान इस दुनिया में ये कल्पना नहीं कर सकता था कि कितना, हाउ सैड एंड मोनोटनस लाइफ, कि इस ऐसे इंसान का जीवन कितना दुख से भरा हुआ और कितना डल होगा. मोनोटनस, डल, बेरंग, बेजान आप कह सकते हो. उसका जीवन कितना दुखी और कितना बेजान होगा. कैन अपीयर टू सच ए बैकबोन. एक ऐसे घुमक्कड़ आदमी के लिए जिसे कि देखकर लोगों को यकीन करना मुश्किल होगा कि उसका जीवन दुख और तकलीफ से भरा हुआ है और नीरस है. हु प्लोट्स अलोंग द रोड. जो कि रोड पर पैर को घिसटते हुए अपने विचारों में खोया हुआ दिन प्रतिदिन आगे बढ़ता जाता था. आई थिंक नाउ द डाउट इज क्लियर बेटा. यस और नो? Okay, next line. But one day this man had fallen into a line of thought. Into a line of thought. First of all, fallen into a line of thought. What does it mean? It means, my dear, start thinking. Fallen into a line of thought means start thinking about something. STH, this is the short form of something. Okay, so now समझिए इस चीज को. बट वन डे व्हेन ही वाज फ्लोटिंग अलोंग द रोड, व्हेन ही वाज मूविंग अहेड ऑन द रोड, व्हाट हैपेंड टू हिम सडनली एंड started thinking about thinking. Who is disturbing the class, my dear? Let me. मम्मी थोड़ा सा धीरे नहीं बोलो, जमा रुक के मार लाग रहे हो. सो see, one child is now trying to enter the classroom. Beta, this is not okay, my dear. So the thing is there कि एक दिन had fallen into a line of thought. एक दिन सड़क पर चलते हुए ये जो आदमी था वो किसी चीज के बारे में गहराई से सोचने लग गया. एंड व्हाट वाज दैट विच रियली सीम्ड टू हिम एंटरटेनिंग. एंटरटेनिंग बेटा, एंटरटेनिंग मीन्स this word entertaining. What does it mean? It means amusing. It means amusing, मजेदार, आनंद देने वाला। तो कहता है जो कि उसे वास्तव में बहुत ही मजेदार लग रहा था। अचानक से एक दिन, one day when he was plodding along the road, suddenly an idea occurred in his mind, and which appeared to him that it would be really interesting to think about this thing. And what was the thing? Let us read in the next line. He had naturally been thinking of his rat traps, and then suddenly he was struck by the idea that the whole world is. Suddenly, हाँ री मम्मी, जमा चाला कर दिया तो हमने आज तो नहीं बैठू आड़े। Then he was struck by the idea, और अचानक से he had naturally been thinking of his rat traps. वह रोड पर चलता चलता he was thinking about his rat traps, how to sell, how to make, how to improve his business. When he was thinking, when he was meditating on all about things, suddenly an idea struck by this mind. अचानक से उसके दिमाग में एक विचार आया. So beta, up to here I am going to cover up because I do get only the 5 minutes for today's class, and let me discuss one or two questions from the today's text, or you can say the sum up. The first thing that what we got about the rat trap. What kind of a person was rat trap? That he made living. How did he made his living? He made his living by selling rat traps. Okay, and which were made of rat traps? The rat traps were made of wire. Got it, my dear? Second one is, was his business profitable? No, his business was not profitable. Then what did he do? He had to. The rat trap had to beg and steal to earn his living. Sorry, this word is his living. Got it, my dear? Then the next point is that in spite of all, in spite of doing all these things, what was the result? He was just a poor peddler. Got it? So this was up to here whatever we have read about red trap. And now the next is that about in this paragraph beta. Suddenly an idea occurred his mind. I'm explaining it in advance to you, and that is what was this idea that struck his mind. In tomorrow's lecture I will discuss about this. And this idea about when I will discuss what was this idea. This idea was that suddenly a philosophy of life, suddenly a philosophy of life occurred in his mind. उसके दिमाग में जो ये idea आया ना, what was this idea? This idea was about life. Okay, and what was that? That in theme I discussed with you. Whole world is a rat trap. Whole world is a rat trap. And what does it offer? This world rat trap, it offers us, ये हम सबको देता है riches, joys, shelter, food, in another word, happiness. Got it? And what all these happiness work? These work as a, you can say, bait. Okay, bait means beta, my dear. What does this mean? It means attraction. It means to attract all the human beings. So this was the philosophy of life, which I will discuss in tomorrow's lecture. Now the lecture is going to end up.